Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are having a good day. We are front runners and we represent business group number 1. Our group consists of 5 members. They are Sihas, Tatum, Takshila, Manusha, and myself. So we searched for many problems people currently face in the world and came up with the final idea of replaceable air filters for fans, which we named as Air Pura. So this would be a really new product to the market and satisfy one of the main needs of customers to avoid inhaling dusty air coming from fan wind. Have you ever seen with the time a large dust layer is coated around the fan blades and even in the fan casing? I guess we all have seen this. So do you know that one of the main causes for lung-related diseases is inhaling dusty air? And fan wind is one of the major ways of emitting air with dust. So this will really affect adversely for humans. Other than common cold, severe diseases like asthma, silicosis, wheezing cough can cause due to inhaling of air with dust particles. So we found this information together as a team. Now Takshila will brief us about our team working process. Yes, Takshila, over to you.
Thank you, Chatali. This slide illustrates about the presentation lineup and this how we are going to conduct our presentation. Firstly, Chatali brief us about the innovation we selected and the real world problem, the team introduction which now I am presenting, and then Sihas is responsible to elaborate about the innovation in details, and Patum is going to explain about the main features of our innovation, and Manusha will explain us about the prototype demonstration, and again Sihas and Chaturi will present about the feedback survey and conclusion. Here, now you can see our team members, Chaturi, Sihas, Takshila, Patum and Manusha. We divided the tasks among the group members and found a collection of ideas and suggestions. Our team leader is Chatri Fernando, and she encouraged all us to create our innovation by sharing valuable ideas with each other. And all responsibilities within the team were handled properly and actually leadership responsibilities. The idea generator of our group is Sihas. He added valuable ideas to our team in order to have best design prototype at the end. The software developer of our group is Patum. He mentioned the word with comments and PowerPoint slides. Manusha helped each other and worked collaboratively within our team, and I gave the contribution mainly by finding the relevant resource of the data and build up the innovation. Air Pura simply is easy to purchase for the consumer at reasonable cost, which helped to praise the ideas of all members of our team. Thank you. Our next slide presenting by Sihas.
Thank you, Takshila. Nowadays, most of people suffering from diseases. Some of them are from the dust, such as wheezing, black lung disease. These diseases caused by breathing in certain kind of dust particles that damage your lungs. Because of these kind of reason, actually our team members decided to make this production. On the other hand, still fans are using everywhere normally. But most of people are boring to remove. But most of people are boring to clean this fan because it need to remove all the fan parts. But in our product, easily we can fix and easily to remove also. In the next slide, you can see some pictures and videos of our production. Now it's your turn, Tatu.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Sihas. Now I'm going to discuss about the benefits of our innovation. Now, as you all can see, this product is very easy to fix for the fan, and so this helps to save time. Also, one of another main feature is this filter does not interfere for the fan rotation when it's in occasion in mode. Also, it's easy to clean the grab dust in the filter. So we can say this is a very useful item which we can buy for a reasonable price. After finalizing our sketches and plans, we were able to come up with a prototype model for our final product. As you can see this how it looks before and after completing the prototype. When we talking about the mechanism, this is a simple but highly effective method that can be considered as the solution for our main problem that we could find out in our research. So there are some raw materials in that have been used to implement our project. As you can see in the slides, we could manage our cost for 1950 rupees, which is really fair price for a product like this. Which we were working on this project, we had to face some issues due to lack of knowledge in the field mechanical engineering. So we got guidance from a experienced mechanist in the field, which was a huge strength to make our project success. Welding is the main process in our project. So in the order to get a net and quality finishing, we got help from a professional welder. Our next slide will present by Chatuli. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Prathu. During our journey of developing the prototype, we had to face a number of challenges. So in this case, we needed to think for ways to overcome them and experts advise us as well. So we went to meet the teacher in charge of physics in St. Peter's College, Negombo, Mr. Ranjit Pereira, to understand the science behind the generation of wind by fan, and were able to have a clear idea on that. Also, during the prototype development process, we met Mr. Saman De Silva, who is a well-experienced technician in the iron industry. And we had a chance to know about the welding process with the help of experienced persons in the field. So this is how we took the experts' opinions, and they were really helped us to have a successful result at the end. So as you can see, these are the raw materials we used to make our product. Mainly we had to have a welding power plant, iron ring, net and clamps to fix to the fan casing. And totally the cost was about 1950 rupees. So now I will hand over the presentation to Manusha to explain you about the prototype demonstration.
Yes, Tagli, thank you. When we think about the prototype demonstration, the air pura works efficiently even during the fan is in its rotation motion. This attached video illustrates the first working version of our air pura. Yes, so we can realize the air filter does not make any disturbance or interruption to the fan. We mainly focused on Bernoulli's principle, and so we make recommended to fix the filter behind the fan. After we were done with the prototype, our next step is to present the innovation to the market. Actually, in this case, we thought of many ways to attract the customer's mind, so we were planning to give 15% discount with the first 3 months, and also we are going to share the new prototype in social media and achieve a popularity. So we are also going to take the customer's preferences after we market the product. Here we are discussing about the 4P analysis is very important. They are the key factors that are involved in the marketing of a good or service, and then they are the product, price, place and promotion of a good or service. As we have discussed about the product, place and promotions, So far, now I'm going to elaborate about the pricing. So our production cost was 1950 rupees and the profit we are expecting by a direct sale is 30%. So the final price of our replaceable air filter is about 2535 rupees. Our next slide will present by Sihas. Thank you.
Thank you, Manusha. There are benefits from our product. Benefit from our product is help to reproduce the clean air within the place. And our product is very useful for garment factories because they are mostly used fans. But no one allowed to clean the fan after getting dust. So our product is very useful and can save their time also. Without much effort, can easily clean the fan filter and can reduce diseases getting from the dust. There are some way to develop this product. To develop this product, so our group members decided to set a creative thing to improve this, to take the rich look. After introduce the product, we decided to give discount for the first 3 months to develop the selling, to develop the sale. This product can be introduced to a fan company. That means if we introduce our product to a fan making company, that company can straightly fix our product into their fans and sell another way to and sell. And another way to develop our product is we have to show our fan filter into the public. After that, we have to listen to people comment. If there is something to develop, we have to improve the product. In the next slide, feedback survey. You can see the feedback survey link. So actually, this is also very important to develop our product. So now I'm going to hand over the presentation to Chatuli.
Yes, thank you. So we can see our time is just about up, and we hope that you were able to get a clear and comprehensive idea on our new product. And thank you so much for your interest and attention.